All right, good morning, everybody. A little late start. No, actually not a late start at all, but a little late start going live today. We just saw Chef Sean and his American Dream. We saw, as Jeff Bossi likes to say, the caged animal, Moshe Baruch with his personal injury case. And now I am live, Brad Bernstein, on the immigration link here on January 16, 2018, about 4 or 5 days after Trump called half the world S-holes. About 1 week after Trump said we were going to have immigration reform, only to change his mind 48 hours later and say he wants to kick everybody out. Two bad dreamers. 1 weekend away from Hawaii having mass chaos because Trump is threatening war with North Korea. Somebody pressed the wrong button and told Hawaii there was an incoming ballistic missile with a nuclear warhead on it, and you have about 8 minutes to live. Oh, nothing much happening in the world. Yeah. I was just reading an article that if this was 1968 with all the tweets, this is 2018 is very similar to all of the chaos, unfortunately, that was happening in 1968. We actually, I just saw here in Hawaii, the guy who pressed the button with the ballistic missile. While, by the way, I also read that Donald Trump, while all of this was happening, basically played the 9th hole at Trump International in Florida. He had a very nice tee shot off the tee. He drove it a little to the left in the green. While the ballistic missile was coming in, he was choosing whether to take a 7-iron or an 8-iron to lay up before the green. True story. Debating on golf clubs while perhaps ballistic missile coming in. We have actually a footage, I'm told, of people running in fear in Hawaii. Do we have that? Let's see. Oh, that's Trump International course. That's where he was playing golf. Do we have people in fear? If not, we're going to move on to the next subject. All right, next subject. Squeeze is at the doctor, unfortunately. Oh, there's the people running in fear. Can you imagine waking up in Hawaii and then all of a sudden people, literally, you have 8 minutes to live? I spoke to my father. He said if that happened, he would just look out his window and watch the missile come and kill him. He goes, where's he running to? I go, you're right. Where are you running to? So people, I mean, where are you going to run if a nuclear weapon's coming? Where are you going? There's nowhere to go. And meanwhile, Trump, he still hasn't, as far as I know, he's been able to say a lot of things about countries where the where they're not as rich as us or where they're not as white as us. He's been able to say a lot about that on Twitter. He's been able to say a lot about Dick Durbin, who called him out in the immigration meeting after on Tuesday. He said, yes, we're going to have a love fest, and whatever you bring to me, I'm going to sign to 2 days. Literally, he said that in front of the cameras to 2 days later saying, I'm not going to allow these people from these S-holes countries to come to America. Yet he hasn't said one thing about scaring the hell out of everybody in Hawaii. Also, apparently, he plays a lot of golf. Meanwhile, back on the farm, it's been reported that Trump was incredulous. I don't know why this is Trump Day, but it's Trump Day today for me. Trump was incredulous when he met with the Congressional Black Caucus about 8 weeks ago when they informed him that the largest percentage of people in America who collect welfare is, drumroll please, white people. Over 40% of white people collect welfare compared to 25% on the welfare rolls are black, 10% Hispanic, 2% are Asian. Trump was incredulous. He thought a majority were black and Hispanic. Oh, you're wrong. Jeff Bezos, the world's richest man in the world. By the way, I'll keep doing the news until I forgot to tell everybody, this is an immigration show. So if you call right now, you will get on and get your immigration questions asked. And the telephone number to call to get your immigration questions asked and answered by me is 1-800 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. We have 12 open lines right now, so if you call, you will get on our show. My show today. It's only my show today. There's no Squeeze. Squeeze is at the doctor. His head hurts him. There's a lot of pressure on Squeeze these days. Lots of pressure. So his head hurts him. So hopefully he will be back. Actually, he's sick with the flu. But so I make fun of him. But yeah, Squeeze is sick, and hopefully he will be back tomorrow. Telephone number to call right now is 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. True story. Squeeze says, I'll come in, but I think I have the flu. I said, you and your virus, stay away from me. Stay home. True story. Very, very true. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. And all the sad faces come across the screen on Facebook on the Brad and Squeeze page because they're all very sad. Squeeze has the flu. He'll be alive. He'll be okay. Don't worry. He'll be okay. I promise. I promise he will be okay. Right, what is not okay is our telephone lines because we have 12 open lines right now. So if you call right now, you will get on and get your immigration questions asked and answered. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. The richest man, Jeff Bezos, in the news I read today, is sending 1,000 dreamers to college. He and his wife, Mackenzie, is that his wife? Let's see his wife again. I never saw what the wife looked like. Put that back up again. Okay, he and his wife, who looks 30 years younger than him, have donated $33 million to the Dream.us, a national scholarship fund. And each student is going to get, 1,000 students are each going to get $33,000 in aid over 4 years to help pay for tuition, and it only goes to people who are dreamers. That's very nice of him. Now he's only worth $99.99 billion. Talking about billions of dollars, something I don't have, and talking about billions of callers on the radio, which we don't have, 0 callers. Apparently nobody has immigration questions today. But the telephone number to call again is 1-800-529-5465. You can also leave your questions on our Facebook page, of Brad and Squeeze. And we're going to have our social media genie. It's our temporary name for her. We don't have a real name for her yet. We're calling her social media genie. We're going to have our social media genie, Anna, come in about 10 minutes or so to help answer your immigration questions. But the telephone number to call right now, is there a problem with our telephones maybe? Perhaps there's a problem with our telephones because I see a lot of people calling and hanging the phone up. I don't know. Maybe there is. Maybe there isn't. We'll find out very shortly. Telephone number to call is 1-800-529-5465. There's 12 open lines right now. I cannot believe that for all of the people listening on our radio show and all the people watching on our Facebook page, that not a human being has an immigration question. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-LAW-LINK. That's 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. Also in the news, which is very angering to me, some rich middle-class kid who's 20 years old, Shane Meisler of Port Richey, Florida, never worked a hard day in his life. He won $451 million in the mega lottery. Can't go to a more deserving human being, somebody who knows nothing about hard work, but he won $451 million. This kid who grew up in a rich family, just unfair to the people who actually work hard. That's all I got to say.